Hi, for this video what I want to do is show you how to find multiple combinations using the TI-Nspire graphing calculator. So what we have here is a teacher is making a test. A test bank of 30 questions is available to choose questions from. The question bank consists of 6 hard, 15 moderate, and 9 easy questions to choose from. How many different tests can be made if the teacher wants 3 hard, 10 moderate, and 7 easy questions? So this one is a combination because the order doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what way we choose them in. It's just the same questions. So with this, we are going to use combinations, which recall combinations is in things. This is how many things you have to select from. Taken r at a time, that's how many you're choosing from those things, is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Okay, so with this one, what we're going to do is the first thing that we have is we're going to look at the hard questions. So we have 6 hard questions to choose from, and we want to choose 3 of them. So we have 6 things taken 3 at a time. And then we're going to multiply this by the next item, which is we have 15 moderate questions to choose from, and we're choosing a total of 10. So we would have 15 things taken 10 at a time. And then we have 9 easy questions to choose from, and we're taking 7 at a time. So if you need to show the work, basically what you would do with this is you would set up each of these individually. So we would say 6 factorial over 6 minus 3, which is 3 factorial times 3 factorial, times 15 factorial over 15 minus 10, which is 5 factorial, 10 factorial. And then the last one would be 9 factorial over 2 factorial, 7 factorial. So if you need to show the work, this is what it would look like. But we can just use our calculator in order to find this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this entire thing into my calculator. So I'm going to go and I'm going to grab a calculator. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit menu and go to probability, option 5, and then I'm going to choose option 3, combinations. So that was menu, option 5, probability, and then option 3, combinations. So I'm going to put in the first one, which is 6 things taken 3 at a time. And then I would do times, and then I would do the same thing, the menu, probability, combinations, and this time I would do 15 things taken 10 at a time, and then I would do times, and I would do it one more time, option 5, 3, and then we can put in 9 things taken 7 at a time, and then just hit enter. And we end up with 2,162,160 different tests. Okay, so this ends up giving us 2,162,160 different arrangements or combinations of those test questions. Okay, with this, the 6, the 15, and the 9 does add up to be the 30. The 3, the 10, and the 7 would add up to how many questions you want on the test. So this would be 20 questions on the test. But this is how you would select it using the fundamental counting principle where you multiply them together as well as the combinations formula. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know that as well.